Testimony ended in the Andrea Sahuri trial today, a little more than an hour ago, but not before the Des Moines Register reporter was called to the witness stand. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh is following the trial for us. He is live with Sahuri's testimony.
Steve, Sahuri is charged with interference with official acts and failure to disperse, charges she pled not guilty to. Now, Sahuri took the stand late this afternoon and testified to the jury that her arrest seemed to come out of nowhere.
Immediately, I see this officer coming at me, and I put up my hands and say I'm press because he was coming like right at me, and I didn't think it was a good idea to run from officers. I wasn't doing anything wrong, so I put up my hands. I said, I'm press, I'm press, I'm press. He grabbed me, pepper sprayed me, and as he was doing so, said that's not what I asked.
Andrea Sahuri testified that she complied with every police command. The executive editor of the Des Moines Register says reporters have to get close to what is going on in order to do their job, at the same time obeying police and the law.
That's a specific principle in the Gannett Company's Principles of Ethical Conduct, is that you do not break the law in gathering the news.
Under cross-examination by the state, Hunter admits to not being on scene when Andrea Sahuri was arrested, or the moments leading to her arrest. But there was another Register reporter who was on scene.
I didn't understand why they were beginning to detain Andrea.
Caitlin Aiken, who has since left the newspaper, was with Sahuri and just a few steps ahead of her when she was arrested.
Andrea was yelling, and I saw one of the officers pepper spray her in the face.
Thank you. Andrea.
I can't see. When I saw Andrea getting pepper sprayed, I started to yell that we were reporters.
Yes. Detective Ben Carter says the crowd never broke up after the dispersal orders, and Sahuri was near a group of people who were moved away from the Merle Hay Mall.
The defendants are within the vicinity of that group that we've been talking about.
Yes, on numerous occasions.
Before afternoon testimony, the defense asked for a directed verdict. The judge has taken that under advisement. Court resumes tomorrow morning at 9:30, where it's likely we'll hear closing arguments. Live in Des Moines, Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.